Stick with us as we unfold 5 vital care tips that will elevate your cacti from surviving to thriving. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these insights will help you master the art of cactus care. Kicking off with our first essential tip, timing is everything when it comes to repotting. Let's dive into why choosing the right moment can make all the difference for your prickly companions. When it's time to move your cacti to a new pot, it's important to pick the right time. While the months from October to February might seem cool for indoor gardening, they aren't ideal for cacti. During this time, the sun plays hide and seek, and without its warming rays, cacti can't muster the strength they need to thrive. That's why spring or late summer emerge as the champions of repotting seasons. In these periods, the sun graciously bestows its life-giving light, ensuring your cacti have the energy they crave. Remember, cacti are sun worshippers, craving bright sunny spots where they can bask in 6 to 8 hours of daily sunlight. A lack of light not only stunts their growth but can also weaken their defenses, making them more susceptible to illness. Ensuring they receive ample sunlight after repotting is crucial for their well-being and your success as a cactus caregiver. As we've now established the critical timing for their exposure, let's go deeper into the significance of sunlight in the life of a cactus. Sunlight is not just a preference for these desert dwellers, it's a necessity. Position them near a window, ensuring they soak up at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Without sufficient light, cacti struggle to thrive. They grow slowly, their defenses falter, and they become prone to illness. After establishing the vital role of sunlight for cacti, we're ready to guide you through the next key aspect of their care: repotting. Far from being a mere chore, repotting offers a golden chance to enhance the well-being and development of your cacti. We'll walk you through the essentials to make this process smooth for your sun-loving plants. To prepare your cactus for a new home, you'll need a few items: a new pot, special soil for cacti, gloves, and tweezers. When removing the cactus from its current pot, it's important to handle it carefully to avoid injury, using gloves or tweezers for protection. Generally, it's advisable to repot your cactus every 3 to 4 years, or sooner if the roots outgrow the pot or the plant begins to topple over. To lift the cactus safely, you might use a piece of cardboard. If the cactus seems stuck, a butter knife can help loosen the soil from the pot's edges. Place the cactus in a new pot, ideally one that's 1 to 2 inches larger, and consider topping the soil with decorative stones for a visual upgrade. After repotting, wait about a week before watering to allow your cactus to adjust to its new setting. After ensuring your cactus is comfortably settled in its new pot, we turn our attention to a crucial element of cactus care: the soil. Soil quality is paramount for cacti. These plants thrive in an environment that mimics their natural habitat, requiring a soil mix that offers quick drainage and ample aeration. For the ideal composition, you have 2 options: purchasing pre-made cactus mix or creating your own blend with equal parts of regular potting soil, perlite, and coarse sand. This mix promotes dry, healthy roots, preventing the common issue of root rot due to excess moisture. Using clean, disease-free soil is also essential to maintaining your cactus's health. With our soil now ideally prepared, it's time to explore the nuances of watering our prickly companions. Achieving the perfect watering balance is essential for cactus health. The soak and dry method is highly effective, ensuring the soil is thoroughly watered until excess moisture drains away completely. The frequency of watering varies based on factors such as the plant's size, age, and the environment it's in. During the warmer months of spring and summer, small to medium-sized indoor cacti typically require watering every 10 days. In contrast, during the cooler winter period, watering every 4 to 6 weeks is often sufficient. Returning to the topic of sunlight, it's crucial to ensure your cacti receive the right amount of light for optimal health. Ensuring your cacti thrive involves providing them with the right amount of sunlight, about 4 to 6 hours of bright light daily. However, be aware that some cacti, particularly those native to desert and forest environments, can be sensitive to overly intense sunlight, leading to sunburn. A strategic placement near a window that bathes them in sunlight, yet shields them from the harshest rays, is key. Summer calls for filtered bright light, best achieved by positioning them where the light is bright yet indirect. During winter months, a south or west-facing window can offer the direct sunlight they need to remain healthy. Beyond natural sunlight, cacti and succulents also benefit from artificial lighting. especially when exposed to around 12 hours of fluorescent light daily. This can be further enhanced with a touch of incandescent light, maintaining a ratio of 10 watts of fluorescent to 1 watt of incandescent light. Such a setup not only supports their well-being, but also encourages robust growth, making it an excellent supplement to natural light or a viable alternative for those with less light access. As we conclude our guide on cactus care, keep these insights in mind to ensure your spiky companions not only survive, but flourish. With these tips from Midtown Farmer, you're well on your way to becoming a cactus caretaker extraordinaire. Embrace these guidelines and watch as your cacti flourish, bringing a piece of the desert's resilience and beauty into your home. Thanks for joining us on Midtown Farmer. Don't miss out on more gardening tips and tricks. Hit that like button, share with fellow green thumbs, and subscribe for a new adventure every week.
Damn.